Welcome to TDS Online Math. 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 8 on 343. Now, don't forget that 7 to the power 3 is the same as 343. Now, when you are given a to the power x plus n, the same as a to the power x times a to the power n. So you can write this one as 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x times 7 to the power 1 minus 8 on 343 equal to 0. Now let's take this 7 to the power x out. Okay. So we can say that from here, let k be 7 to the power x. So in going back, we have k plus, so this one is k times 7, that will be 7k minus 8 on 343 equals to 0. So we can add here 8k, we have 8k minus 8 on 343 equal to 0. Okay, so we can write this one as 8k equals to 8 on 343. So we can divide both sides by 8. That will be k equals to 8 on 343 divided by 8. Which is the same as over 1. So we have k equals to 8 on 343. So we have to change this times 1 on 8. And this one will cancel. I will leave it 1 on 343. Now we can recall that 7 to the power x is k. Okay, so 7 to the power x is k, but k is 1 on 343. Okay, so 343 is the same as, so we have 7 to the power x plus 1 on 7 to the power 3. So 1 on 8 to the power n is the same as 8 to the power minus. So this one will be 7 to the power x equals to 7 to the power minus 3. Therefore, x equals minus 3. Minus 3. All right. Okay, so subscribe for more second videos.